Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best bake tray is probably one of the most versatile kitchen tools you can own, and today, we're diving deep into what makes a great one. From perfectly golden cookies to savory roasted vegetables, a good bake tray is your culinary sidekick. We'll explore the key features, materials, and designs that set the best bake trays apart, helping you make an informed decision for your baking needs. Number 5. NutriChef 3-piece nonstick baking pans. This is a premium and stylish nonstick bakeware set. It includes small, medium, and large cookie pans. They are designed for easy baking and cleaning. The pans feature a PTFE PFOA PFOS-free nonstick coating. This allows for easy food release and healthy cooking. You'll find cleanup a breeze. Made from durable carbon steel, these pans resist warping. They are built to last for years of baking, roasting, and toasting. You can use them in the oven, refrigerator, and freezer. These cookie sheets provide excellent food release and are stain-resistant. They are also dishwasher-safe and designed to be stackable, saving you space. The pans have bold-colored, commercial-grade handles. They provide a confident grip when removing them from the oven. They are oven-safe up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like? This set features a non-stick coating for easy food release and cleaning. The red silicone handles provide a confident grip. If you're looking for a versatile set with different sizes, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy baking a variety of treats and need different pan sizes. What people say. 3 different sizes non-stick and with silicone handles. It's absolutely non-stick. They are non-stick, which makes cleanup a breeze. Not to mention they are PFOA PFOS PTFE free. Bonus. Number 4. GoodCook Everyday 15x10 Nonstick Baking Sheet. This baking sheet ensures a perfect bake for all your favorite recipes. From cookies and desserts to sheet pan dinners, it handles it all. You'll love the results. The sheet distributes heat evenly, guaranteeing thorough baking. The design includes a wider lip, making it easy and safe to handle when putting it in or taking it out of the oven. It features a scratch-resistant and dishwasher-safe non-stick coating. This provides excellent release, and makes cleanup quick and easy. You'll spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. This baking sheet is convenient and versatile for all your baking needs. It's even metal spatula safe, so you can serve your baked goods directly from it. Made with heavy-duty gauge steel, this sheet resists warping. It's built to offer high-quality baking for years to come. You can rely on it for all your baking adventures. What we like? This baking sheet provides even heat distribution for perfect baking results. The scratch-resistant non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze. If you like to bake cookies or sheet pan dinners, this pan will be your go-to. It's ideal for those who value ease of use and durability. What people say. The tray is the perfect size for baking cookies. The non-stick surface works great and makes cleanup a breeze. The handles on the tray make it easy to get in and out of the oven. Number 3. NutriChef 6-piece nonstick bakeware set, Gold. This 6-piece set is perfect for all your baking needs. You can easily bake muffins, cakes, pies, and more. It makes baking simple and enjoyable. The non-stick coating inside and out reduces the need for extra oil. It also helps distribute heat evenly. This ensures your baked goods come out perfectly every time. Made with carbon steel, the bakeware resists warping and heats evenly. There are no hot spots to worry about. This will help you achieve beautifully baked results. These baking pans are heat-safe up to 446 F. You can create delicious treats with confidence. It is compatible with standard and convection ovens. Hand wash is recommended to clean the bakeware. Avoid using the dishwasher to prevent scratches. Use a soft cloth and mild detergent, and keep it dry after use. What we like? This set includes various pans for all your baking needs, from muffins to cakes. The non-stick metallic coating ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots. If you're looking for a complete set to tackle any recipe, this is the one. It's perfect for bakers who want to create a wide range of baked goods. What people say. The tray is the perfect size for baking cookies. The non-stick surface works great and makes cleanup a breeze. The handles are a nice touch and make it easy to get the tray in and out of the oven. Number 2. NutriChef 2-piece nonstick cookie sheet set. This nonstick coating ensures your baked goods slide right off. You won't need to use a lot of butter or cooking spray. Enjoy your delicious homemade treats with ease. Made with heavyweight carbon steel, it provides even heat distribution. These pans are oven safe up to 445 degrees Fahrenheit and won't warp or bend. So you can bake with confidence. The fully rimmed border prevents spills and ensures airflow. This design helps with even baking and cooking. It's perfect for all your favorite recipes. Cleanup is a breeze with the non-stick surface. You can rinse it under water or put it in the dishwasher. This set is designed to last for years. This set includes 2 baking sheets in different sizes. The large pan is 15.7 foot, x 11.0, x 1.3, and the medium pan is 13.4, x 9.6, x 1.3. You'll have the perfect size for any baking project. What we like? The non-stick surface ensures effortless food release, and the heavyweight carbon steel provides even heat distribution. The rimmed border prevents spills. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-clean option, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who value convenience and quality. What people say. The tray is the perfect size for baking cookies. The non-stick surface works great and makes cleanup a breeze. The handles are a nice touch and make it easy to get the tray in and out of the oven. Number 1. NutriChef 2-piece nonstick cookie sheet baking pan set. Introducing the NutriChef baking pan set. It features a sleek non-stick coating, making sure your cookies slide right off. This set is designed for easy baking and cleanup. This baking pan set is made without PFOA, PFOS, and PTFE. You can bake with confidence knowing that it is safe for you and your family. It is a healthy choice for your kitchen. The set includes a large, 15x11, and a medium, 13x9, baking sheet. These sizes are perfect for all your baking needs. Whether you're making cookies or roasting vegetables, they have you covered. Cleaning up is a breeze with this dishwasher-safe set. Simply put them in the dishwasher after use. It saves you time and effort in the kitchen. These pans are professional grade, perfect for home kitchens. They are made with commercial-grade metal bakeware. You can achieve restaurant-quality results at home. The NutriChef baking pans are durable and reliable. The attractive metallic coating adds a touch of style to your kitchen. It's a great addition to any baker's collection. What we like? This set features a sleek non-stick coating for easy baking and cleaning. The set includes 2 convenient sizes. If you are looking for a simple and effective baking solution, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a reliable and easy-to-use baking set. What people say. Best pans I've ever used. Don't need to grease them and the food slides right off. Nothing left to clean. Sheets are thick, durable sturdy steel, not flimsy, which I love. These pans are unbelievable. I don't have to spray or put parchment and I'm telling you, nothing sticks. So easy to clean too. They don't stain and stand up to heat well. Definitely buying more. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.